Hey guys, it's Mike from Outdoor Element. I just wanted to go over the sizing of the Kodiak and the Woolly Mammoth survival bracelets. They're built on the same jig, so they are virtually the same size. However, because of the nature of this being all jute and this being paracord, a little bit of a size difference. The first thing we recommend doing is taking a measurement of your wrist. And so what I would do is, if you have a tape like this, flip it over, check what size you are, and if you look here, I am about a 6.5, maybe a little bit less. The website says that the small goes to about 6 3/8. I can squeeze it on if you look here. This will go on my wrist. However, like a good fitted hat, blood, sweat, and adventure does help it shrink up a little bit. And it's just opposite with the Woolly Mammoth, where if it's a little snug with blood, sweat, and adventure, it'll be just a little bit loose over time. So this is a brand new one, and then this one I've been wearing for a few weeks now. It's a little bit more loose. Just want to keep that in mind. If you don't have one of these measuring tapes, you know, always get a piece of paper, you know, wrap that around your wrist, give it a good spin to wherever that ends, and just take that measurement there. But yeah, so both of them are great for starting either camp stoves. Like here's a camp stove here. Get this going. This is our 5-minute rocket. Pretty simple light for emergency fires. It's all jute. There's also jute on the inside of our Kodiak as well. So fishing line, then jute, standard strands for strength there. But with any jute, you just take that apart and you can turn this into a bird's nest. Of course, you have to have other kindling around. So you get that. That's where you lay your spark and get a fire going. Pretty simple. Easy to do, but just keep that in mind that if you're tight on the measurement for small or medium or large, go ahead and get